This is a suit of armor that we received from a customer that needs to be restored. It needs to be put back together and the metal reconditioned and the rust removed. We think it is from the 18th century. However, we're wanting to learn more about the age of it in the midst of doing the restoration. We'll be glad to show you the after video as well. This is the suit of armor that we restored from a rusty condition to a oiled and hand rubbed finish. It's probably from the 18th century, possibly 17th century, and it has been lubricated and then put back on the stand. And you can see that the metal has been derusted and, not shined up too much to make it look too new.